Good morning, children. We will continue the chapter Yoga, okay, from page 120. Nikhil was dumbfounded, and so were his friends. They had seen it all but never connected those antiques to yoga poses. Somu looked at Uncle Rahul and said, "Please tell us about the animals and birds." Uncle Rahul showed the various poses that reminded the boys of the cat stretch, the cow pose, bird pose, dog pose, and so on. Then he looked at the boys and said, "Yoga gives us focus, concentration, flexibility, and strength." Okay, so when Uncle Rahul told about the baby, the poses of the baby, okay, the boys were surprised. They have seen so many times, but they have never connected that all these are yoga postures. Okay, so they were dumbfounded, means they were not able to say anything. They had seen all this, but they have never connected. Somu then looked at Uncle Rahul and said, "Please tell us more about animals and birds now." So Uncle Rahul is telling all the poses of all the animals, okay, that is the bird pose, the dog pose, the cow pose, the stretch of the cat, etc. And then he is adding that yoga gives us focus, concentration, flexibility, and strength. Okay, Amu interrupted Rahul and asked, "What are yoga postures? How do they benefit?" Uncle Rahul explained, "Yoga comprises certain postures. A yoga posture is the comfortable position of the body in a particular position and holding them. This comes with regular practice. In case of any pain or discomfiture, one should not try further. A yoga instructor knows the best with experience and guides everybody according to their body type." So now Amu is asking, what are yoga postures? So Uncle Rahul is explaining that yoga comprises certain postures, means we have to position our body in that yoga, and then we have to keep our body in that position for some time. That is yoga posture. That is what Uncle Rahul is explaining. But if we find any pain or if we are discomfort, okay, means we are not comfortable, we should not try. And always we should do yoga under the yoga instructor who has the best experience and who guides us according to our body type. So some more benefits: improves flexibility. All yoga postures contributes to the flexibility of the body. As a result, stiffness, aches and pains disappear. Okay, that means our body becomes flexible. If it becomes flexible, so stiffness and aches and pains automatically it will disappear. Builds muscle strength. Strong muscles give a good appearance and protection from arthritis and back pain. So it builds our muscles, okay? It makes our muscles strong. Perfect body posture. Yoga postures require sitting comfortably yet upright. Regular practice helps to say goodbye to hunchbacks. Hunchback मतलब जो लोग अपना बॉडी बेंड करके जो बैठते हैं, मतलब जो अपना स्पाइनल कॉर्ड जिसका स्ट्रेट नहीं रहता है तो वो पीछे से हंचेस निकल जाते हैं बैक में, तो दैट इज कॉल्ड दी हंचबैक्स. सो अगर जो लोग रेगुलर योगा करते हैं उसका बॉडी पोस्चर हमेशा परफेक्ट रहता है. परफेक्ट बॉडी बैलेंस. Flexibility provides strength to muscles, which further helps in perfect body balance. Body balance is ideal for everybody, especially players who leap to hold balls and at times falls and then quickly regain balance. So perfect body balance मतलब those who are players, okay, वो लोग अपना body को balance करते हैं because they have to stretch each and every muscles whenever they are playing anything, whether they are playing the badminton, whether they are playing cricket, basketball or whatever game, whatever sports, they need to stretch their body and then at the same time they have to keep their body balanced also. brings more oxygen to all cells, thereby strengthening all body organs and helping in weight loss. Deep breathing and breathing techniques such as Kapalbhati, Anulom Vilom not only energizes but de-stress the mind and provide more oxygen to the body. Anulom Vilom also helps in managing allergies that lead to breathing troubles such as asthma and is great for good eyesight. Okay, so I hope that you all know about all these poses, that is Anulom Vilom and Kapalbhati. Okay, it brings more oxygen to our body, boosts immunity and lowers the risk of lifestyle disease and heart attack. Yoga helps in lowering the stress hormone called cortisol. Cortisol gives us the food-seeking behavior that prompts us to eat when happy or sad, which leads to weight gain and lifestyle diseases. So if we do yoga, it helps in lowering the stress hormone, which is called cortisol, when we are in stress, okay, or we are happy or sad. At that time, a hormone is released in our body which prompts us to eat, मतलब वो हम लोग को खाने की इच्छा पैदा करता है अंदर से. तो अगर हम लोग खाते ही रहते हैं तो क्या होता है कि वेट गेन हो जाता है. So it controls this, helps in increasing lymph drainage. Yoga makes us contract and stretch muscles as we get in and out of the postures and also while holding them. In this way, the lymph drainage is increased. Lymph is a fluid rich in immune cells which help to fight infection, destroys cancerous cells and disposes of the toxic waste products of cellular functioning. Okay, so it helps in the lymph drainage. That means when we contract and stretch our muscles and we keep it in that posture, when we hold it, okay, at that time the lymph drainage is increased. So limbs are the fluid rich immune cells, so it boosts our immunity and it fights the infection. Helps in relaxation. Savasana, that is a corpse pose, okay, is easy and very relaxing. Once perfected with the help of yoga instructor, it lowers blood pressure and gives rest that is considered equivalent to deep sleep for 1 to 2 hours. Consider it before a tournament or an examination. It helps in relaxation. मतलब अगर सवासन हम लोग करेंगे, सवासन मतलब क्या हुआ कि एकदम डेड बॉडी की तरह, ओके, डेड बॉडी की तरह ही एकदम अपने बॉडी को कर देना है, खाली ब्रीदिंग चालू रखना है, बाकी और कुछ भी मूवमेंट हम लोग की बॉडी में नहीं होता है. तो दैट दिस रिलैक्सेस अवर बॉडी मच. ओके, इट इज इक्वल टू 1 to 2 hours ऑफ स्लीप, कि हम लोग 1 या 2 घंटा मतलब जो हम लोग स्लीप लेते हैं उसमें जो रिलैक्सेशन होता है वो एक बार सवासन करने से हम लोग को मिल जाता है. Uplift mood if feeling sad. Sit in the lotus position. If depressed, then try backward bends as directed by instructors. Lotus position or Padmasana is considered by many as the classic yoga pose and often used for meditation. In this position, your legs become like the petals of the flowers, generally dropping open. Yoga must become a way of life as it balances body, mind and spirit, that is intrinsic to a happy and successful life. Okay, so then uplift mood if feeling sad. तो अगर हम लोग sad भी होते हैं तो हम लोग का mood भी uplift कर देता है. Okay, उसके लिए उन लोग ने बोला है पद्मासन करने का. पद्मासन is the classic yoga, मतलब the best pose for meditation. ओके, ये ऐसा पोज है जो एकदम बेस्ट है एंड एवरीबडी कैन डू इट. सो आफ्टरवर्ड्स इन द एंड व्हाट इज अंकल राहुल टेलिंग कि योगा शुड ऑलवेज बिकम द वे ऑफ लाइफ, मीन्स एवरीबडी शुड डू योगा इन देयर लाइफ बिकॉज इट बैलेंसेस बॉडी, माइंड एंड स्पिरिट. ओके, ऑल 3 things it balances. And why should we do all this thing? Because health is wealth. Nikhil hugged Uncle Rahul and his friends expressed their gratitude. Yoga is so cool. Oh, as cool as Uncle Rahul. So now all the boys agreed. Even the Nikhil agreed that yes, yoga should be done by everyone.